Welcome back, everybody. This week on the Sharp Auto Body Mythbusters, I want to talk about waxing your car. Should you wax your car? Shouldn't you wax your car? There's a myth going around that because your car has clear coat on it. Now, I want you to remember that in today's world, even the solid colors all have clear coat, two-stage paint. They have the base coat, which is the color, and on top of that's the clear coat. So there's a myth out there saying that if you have clear coat on your car, you don't need to wax your car. I disagree with that, and I think it's not a good idea not to wax your car, and here's a number of reasons. One is it helps protect your paint. It helps protect your paint during the winter in our area when there's snow and salt on the roads. It helps protect that paint when that snow gets on you. You've often seen in the north where somebody's driving around, their car's like white because there's so much salt on the car from a recent snowstorm or from them recently salting the roads. So it helps protect against that. It also helps in the summertime or spring or even in the fall. It helps make it easier to get the bugs off the front of your car. It also helps in construction season to get road tar and sometimes road paint off of your vehicle. So a great coat of wax is a good idea all the time. I actually recommend that you get your vehicle waxed every 6 months. You get it waxed in the fall before winter, and you get it waxed in the spring before the summer season. This will keep that paint shiny and in great shape, but it'll also help protect that finish against all these other things that happen to go on. When I thought about this, and so I normally don't throw ads in these. These are usually meant to be educational and informative, but I'm going to give you if you mention this video, you'll save $25 on a detail. We do detail vehicles at Sharp Auto Body, and that includes a complete coat of wax. If you mention this video, you can save $25 on a complete detail. Have a great week, and we will talk to you soon.